All right, so here's your meniscus in the back. You've got a really bad meniscus tear. We'll clean that up for you. And then if you look down into the, can I raise the table up a little bit? Starting to get a little bit arthritic by the femoral condyle here. Thanks. We'll clean this whole meniscus up. You've got a tear back here also. I'll take kind of a shaver. Is it hypertensive?
130.
Yeah. Now let's clean this up for you. I'll take a Predator. Good. So here's your meniscus in the back, nice and clean. We got that big fragment out. It should do the trick. Let's look at the other side. All right, Sasha, it looks really nice and smooth here. We're gonna take a little Predator, just clean up the back just a touch better. You're gonna be very happy with this. We got rid of that very arthritic area, as well as that big tear that you had, or a big flap. Good. All right, shaver. All right, Sasha, that'll feel much better. Your meniscus doesn't have the flap in it. Clean up the transition area a little bit better. All right, let's look at the rest of your knee. Got the probe. There's your anterior cruciate ligament, ACL, PCL. Look at the lateral compartment, looks pretty good. We'll bring your knee up and across. Perfect. We'll look at the lateral side. Your knee on this side looks just phenomenal. So no arthritic changes here. Femoral condyle looks good. Bring you down into a little bit of flexion. We'll show you the rest of your meniscus. Couldn't look better. And look how nice and smooth the cartilage is above. So let's look at the kneecap. Have the one for the scope. Sasha, even your kneecap looks in great shape. I mean, very little arthritic changes anywhere in your knee. I certainly think that medial meniscus meniscectomy is going to give you a lot of relief of your symptoms, a lot of the locking or instability. We'll wash it out a bit, make sure there's no loose fragments, and we'll look at your trochlear groove that your kneecap sits in. And that looks unbelievably good. So we're in great shape. We're going to wash you out. We're finished.